Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel, my subscribers. Okay, this is Gifty Paradise, and on this channel, I am your hair extensions expert. I am here to create and give you the look that you have always envisioned. Let's begin on this beautiful installment. In this video, we're going to be doing a birthday makeup and hair transformation on my regular beautiful client. As of right now, I'm just doing the basic bald cap method, cutting off the excess on the front part of the hair, and then I'm going to get into gluing it down and really showing you guys how beautiful and easy and fast this wig installment was. So I braided her hair back, added a nude cap, color corrected the cap to match her complexion, and now I'm going to apply the lace glue to the front of the bald cap part. There's many different methods of lace glue that I use. Oh, right here, I was going to put the wig on, but I realized how white it is. The wig that I'm using is transparent lace, like really, really white. So I had to color correct before. The glue I'm using is actually not Ghost Bond, not Bold Hold, but it's like Wonder Glue. And it gives you like this blue tint. But when I tell you, this glue is the real deal. I went to my local beauty supply store. This is a lot cheaper than Bold Hold, Ghost Bond, all of that. But this right here can hold a lace. Hold your lace amazingly. But I feel like the reason why not a lot of people use it or know about it is because you got to be really careful with this one. One, if you don't let it dry, dry clear, it's going to show through. Yes, it holds a long time, but this glue, it has like a blue tint, underlining tint to it. So you really have to let it marinate into the skin. And also, I'm making a slight mistake right here. This glue is specifically for skin only. So what I mean is, you see how I added a little bit of the glue onto the cap? I wouldn't recommend doing all of that. You need to put this glue right where the cap lining and the client or your hairline is. So instead of me going so high up into the cap, I would have went more forward. But another thing with her head, her eyebrows and then like her side of her hair is quite close together. Like she has a low hairline, yes. So I didn't want to do like too much to be eating up her sides and her forehead. So this is what I did. But after watching like the video, after doing the whole installment and seeing how it looked, I would have changed this only step. So now, this is when I put the wig on. I've already fully customized this wig. I bleached it, plucked it, and everything. The lace is transparent. I did go in and color correct. Like, do you see how close what I'm talking about? Like, shorty hairline and her eyebrows are mad close. But I don't want the lace to be eating up her forehead. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the lace directly. Don't go an inch above or nothing like that. Put it directly on where that glue is, right? And then when you're cutting the lace off, you can then add a little bit of glue if there's anything still lifting. So right now, I applied the wig. I am letting my client hold the sides. And again, I've already plucked and customized this whole hair. The lace is transparent. The color of the wig is burgundy. The inch is 24 inches. And I did a spiral curl deep side part for her birthday look. Now I'm using a elastic band. Not the Gifty band, just a regular elastic band to pressure. Add a lot of pressure onto the skin, onto the lace, into the glue so that the meltdown is matte flawless. I'm going through and just adjusting everything, making sure it looks really, really good because this install we're about to slay. Okay, some updates at Gifty. Black Friday. Black Friday is coming up and I am, of course, having a Black Friday sale. If you are not subscribed to our newsletter, gifty.org right now, do it because you need to be updated about this Black Friday sale. It's going to go crazy. I'm in a really good mood if y'all cannot hear it from the tone of voice. But it's going to go crazy. It's going to be November 25th starting at 12 a.m. So right when it hits Black Friday, that 12 a.m., boom, the sale is going live. Y'all want to catch the sale when it goes live because I'm going to throw in a little extra little some for my little first buyers. First 50 buyers going to get a little some. So if you want to be one of those first 50 people to get a little extra some, subscribe right now. Okay, so I am cutting off the lace. I've cut off the lace on the left side, and this is how it looks when the lace is off. Like, this wig is fire. The melt is ridiculous. I already showed you guys how to cut. I like to use a razor. It gives me more precision, and I'm able to get as close as possible to the lace, taking it off slowly, but making sure we get close as possible. You want to cut under the lace using your opposite hand to pull the lace out the way, going under and then razoring slowly through to make sure you're close enough but everything is off. Once you do that properly, this is how it's gonna look. I've already went in, I did light baby hairs. I already cut the baby hairs on the wig, so it was really easy for me to just add some gel on it and lay it down. Right now I'm going through and coloring it a little bit more. I still feel like it was too white at that point, so I went in with some makeup that matches her complexion to the T, and then I just color corrected it to make it more of her complexion instead of having like that really white icky kind of look that is like, okay, my scalp is matte white, my skin is kind of tannish color, and it just doesn't add up to each other. So I'm going in with the same color that I use for the front of the line, and I'm just making my part just a little bit more cleaner and sharp so she can really get that it's giving scalp look. It's giving scalp. All right, so now, like I said, it's her birthday. Crazy thing is, Constance, that's her name, my beautiful client Constance, she actually met me on YouTube. So she was one of like, I don't want to say my subscribers prior, but she was just on YouTube. She found my channel, boom, she liked my work, and she booked the appointment. So I've been doing her hair for a while now. I've done a couple styles on her. Like, this girl is mad beautiful, and the looks always turn out fire. So for her birthday, we decided just to do a light beat, right? Nothing dramatic. Like, it was kind of last minute. I didn't have all my makeup stuff to really go cool with this look, so I'm just doing like a really nice, simple kind of beat. Nothing too dramatic, like I said. And I'm gonna have you guys just watch this makeup process and let me know what you think about the hair makeup combination. If you're interested in me doing more makeup and hair combination look, comment that down below.
Yeah, I like this on you a lot.
Me too.
I'm trying to not cry. I haven't felt this pretty in a long time.
What do you mean?
a brand new comb that I used to make sure the lashes was on properly, y'all. This is not a comb that I use for hair. Just wanted to make that announcement. But like I said, this was literally just like a skin, creating a really nice skin and lashes. I didn't have all my makeup stuff to do like a full glam, but I will be doing a tutorial on my client again with a soft glam makeup. This is the look, hair, and makeup for her birthday. What do y'all think? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Here is our finished look. This is giving, like, woohoo! Don't forget, like, and I will see you next time on Gifty Paradise. Bye.